hope you all had an amazing Christmas. It's a mix of luxury and thoughtful gifts. Let's get into it. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nancy. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. If you are returning, hi ladies, thank you for stopping by today and thank you for watching my other videos. Ladies, today I want to share with you what I got for Christmas. I hope this video is not coming late. My first gift for Christmas is going to be a very quick video. Is this Hermes Vintage Kelly 28. I've unboxed this before in my channel, second week of December. If you have not seen that, please go watch it. This is a gift. I bought it with my husband's card, and when he tried to complain, I said this is my Christmas gift, so he said okay. And I told him I would love to have a scarf. He bought this scarf, but unfortunately it's not willy, but it's very nice. I'm such a scarf lover, and this one is perfect. It's a small size, approximately 43 by 16 inches. I love the vibrant multicolor. It's so chic, versatile, great for styling around the neck or even on the bag. Well, I haven't tried that. My kids are here. The next thing I bought for Christmas for myself is this Chanel vintage. Stefano, please, mommy is walking. They went to their grandparents' house, but I thought of making a quick video. Before I finish making up, they are here. So, Stefano, come. Say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, kiss mommy. Oh yeah, go on. So, this is a vintage Chanel. It came in a pristine condition. I was surprised. It came with all the things, and this bag is dated 1991. I think I just need to pause this for a while and take care of my son and come back. Please bear with me, ladies. Due to the noise from my kids, I decided to do a voiceover instead. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. For my sister-in-law, I received this stunning silver bracelet from Briet. Now, I'm not typical a silver jewelry girl, but I appreciate the thoughtfulness, and it's always nice to receive meaningful gifts. I need to learn how to put this properly. It looks okay. I'm still not used to the style, but it came out nice. What do you all think? Let me know what you think in the comment section about this, and hopefully I will use it often, and maybe this would make me buy more of silver. To be honest, I'm not a silver girl, but it's nice. It came with the certificate and instruction. So that's it for this. A few more surprises. Let's get into the others. Okay. I also got a Chanel Red vintage bag in dark coffee brown color. This one came all the way from France. Stunning. Oh, that's the back. Yeah, this is the front. It's definitely a collector piece. I love the structure. The style is so chic, but I will admit I'm still deciding if it's completely my vibe. Stay tuned, ladies, for an unboxing. Possibly I will make an unboxing video where I will share more about this piece. It has the 24K gold stamp in both of the pouches. Stunning. As a collector, it's new in my collection and I haven't got this style before. So let's see how it goes. What do you ladies think about this style? I'm a classic girl, so I don't know. It came with the authentication card, the manual, everything. It also came with the dust tissue, and this is a trendy color. Burgundy, brown, these are winter colors, and this is stunning. The two pouches is something I've not seen. So when I saw it as a collector myself, Even if I get to sell this bag, I just want to have a feel. Use it for a while. If it match my style, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, I let it go. Let's compare the Hermes and the Chanel. These are gorgeous and my last luxury find for 2024. And I think I make a right decision. Although I'm not sure about the Chanel, but the Hermes, if you watch the unboxing, you see how I was gushing over it because I didn't expect it. But yeah, that's the dust bag. It's such a timeless piece and I couldn't be more happier to add this to my collection. And lastly, from my mom-in-law, I got 200 euros and a cozy set of pajamas. So practical and sweet of her. She knows I love to select my gifts. My style, I'm a little bit picky. So she's very understanding. She knew that already and she always give me money to buy something for myself. If it's birthday or Christmas, whatever celebration. I love her. Thank you, Mama. Siri is a good
boy.
Yes, you're a good boy. Don't cry. Sorry. Kiss mommy. I love
you.
I love you too. Don't cry, okay? I want to finish the video. So here you have it, ladies. This is what I got for Christmas. Yeah. Say subscribe.
Square.
Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. It's okay. Drama King. Mommy is
Dancing.
Mommy is beautiful. Mommy is
Dancing.
beautiful. Mommy is
Beautiful.
beautiful. Yes. Oh, you are so cute. Thank you. Thank you for joining me to spoil my video. I don't know. When I'm editing, I will know if it's spoiling. That's everything I got for Christmas. Let me know in the comment section what you got. And do not forget to like, subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Happy New Year.